In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use email template in Brevo. By the end, you'll know exactly how to log in, start an email campaign, pick a template, customize it, and save your work so it's ready for the next steps. First, open the Brevo login page. Choose Sign In with Google, then select your Google account and complete the prompts to enter your Brevo dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Marketing section. This is where all your outbound communication tools live. Click Marketing, then go to Campaigns to see your campaign workspace. Next, click Create Campaign. Brevo will ask you to select the type of campaign. For this walkthrough, choose the email option so you're building an email marketing campaign. You'll be prompted to name your campaign. Give it a clear, internal name that helps you find it later, like including the audience and date. Good naming saves time when you're juggling multiple launches or A/B tests. Click Create Campaign to confirm. On the setup screen, choose Start Designing. This opens Brevo's template library and editor. You'll see two main paths, basic templates and ready to use. Basic templates are clean structural layouts that give you maximum control over design elements. They're great if you already have a brand style in mind. Ready-to-use templates come with professionally designed sections and visual styles out of the box, which is perfect when you want speed and consistency. Browse the options, think about your goal, announcement, newsletter, promotion, and pick a design that matches your message and content length. Once you've found a good fit, select it and click Use Template. Give the editor a moment to load. Now customize your campaign. Replace placeholder text with concise, benefit-led copy, and update headlines so they're scannable. Swap images for your own brand visuals, add alt text for accessibility, and keep image sizes web-friendly to improve load speed. Set your brand colors and fonts, and make sure buttons stand out with clear calls to action. Double-check every link, including logos and social icons, so clicks go where you expect. Keep paragraphs short, use clear spacing, and ensure your layout reads well on both desktop and mobile using the preview options in the editor. When your design looks right, click Save and Quit. This stores your work and takes you back to the campaign area, ready for the next steps like defining recipients and scheduling when you're ready. That's it. Log in, create your campaign, choose a template, customize it with your content and branding, then save and exit. You've just built a polished email in Brevo using templates.